This is Joshua Selby, otherwise known as... Wait, what's he known as again? What's he known as again? Oh, okay. He's known for burping, Burpy Burps. Featuring our just straight up dumb goddamn reporter. Her name's something like Janiqua, I don't know. If you've seen our previous episodes, yeah, she's just straight up dumb. So we're here for the interview, remember? Oh, yeah, totally forgot. So, why do your friends and family call you Burpy Bums? It's mostly because I burp a lot. What's it? I can see why. Wait, you forgot to hand me the microphone. That's the attitude, Mr. Burps. Let them go. It's so. People call me Burpy because I burp a lot. Yeah, you already know that. You can have the microphone back now. That should be good enough. Anyway, what's it like being the most famous person on YouTube at the moment? Here you go. Oh, you're not putting it in my mouth this time. Thanks for that. So, it's kind of difficult with Momo. Yeah, Momo and PewDiePie, T-Series, all of that stuff. Oh, by the way, and YouTube gaming. So, that's my answer. Thanks for the better attitude this time. So, now, what is it like being more successful on Instagram than YouTube? There you go. Again! Stop this! Please stop burping, sir. You trying to stop me from doing my talent? No, not at all. Yeah, you are. I can show you guys what a real star can do. Sir, you don't have to do this. Yes, I do.